702 from David. I knew I didn't have it today. You know I kick off all my videos with a shot. That's right. Celebrating life, boys and girls. Even in this COVID times, things are tough. But we still gotta have some fun. Little Evan Williams, straight Kentucky bourbon. I like my whiskey, boys and girls. I like my whiskey. Cheers and thanks for your love and support. Yummy. Let's hope I get this done in one take because I'll get drunk if I keep doing this over and over again. Welcome back to my channel, boys and girls. 702 from Las Vegas to you. David coming back at you one more time. I want to thank you for all your love and support. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscription button right there. Click that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. In this video, we're checking out the Mgm Skylofts. An amazing place. Had a great time there. I highly recommend it. If you have a chance to stay at the Skylofts, check it out. You'll enjoy it. This video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough. Just a little montage of our stay there. I have another video coming up. It's going to be a little bit more in depth. I'm going to upload that next, and it'll be a walking tour of the room. Also, check it out. Make sure you stick to the end of the video because at the end, I will tell you how you can get into the Mgm Mansion exclusive. That's right. You can't just book this. You have to be invited there. But I'll give you a hint on how you can actually get in there and go have dinner at the Mgm Mansion restaurant. It was awesome. MGM Skylofts having a great time here. Also, if you happen to stay at the Skylofts, ask if you can go visit the mansion, the Mgm Mansion. When you stay at the Skylofts, as long as you're not too busy, you can go have dinner at the Mgm Mansion. That's the only way you can get into the Mgm Mansion unless you are invited. That's right, it's exclusive, but members of the Skyloft can get over there for dinner sometimes. Great food. I had the Wagyu ribeye last night. Holy shit, that was good. Loved it. So make sure you check out, if you get a chance, you stay at the Mgm Skylofts, ask to go have dinner over at the mansion, at the Mgm Mansion. And then today we went to the pool, so that was pretty nice too. It wasn't so busy, so they let us over there. Again, ask your concierge if you can go to the Mgm Mansion pool. The only way you can get into that area is if you stay at the Skylofts or you invited, or as an invited guest. So Mgm Mansion, upscale, very, very cool. What do you think, boys and girls? Skyloft Suites at the MGM, not too bad, not too bad. I like it. Little staycation, COVID-19, doing what we can. You guys stay safe out there, and thank you once again for all your support. 702 from Las Vegas to you, boys and girls. David coming back at you one more time. Please hit that subscription button. Please hit that like button. Drop me a comment if you guys want to see a place in Las Vegas. Let me know. I'll go there and do a room tour for you. Also looking forward to doing some stuff down in Fremont. Revitalize Fremont. They got a brand new casino opening up there this fall. Can't wait to go show you that. Everybody, hope you guys have a good summer. Take care. Hope you enjoyed that video, boys and girls. I really want to thank you for your love and support. You've continued to help my channel grow. I'm building myself an excellent community, and I'm glad that you are a part of it. Thank you.